Hello, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to take a look at the Icon aluminum bearing and seal driver set by Harbor Freight. I believe this is the first video that's going to be on YouTube about it. So that makes two first videos for Harbor Freight tools for us. This is the BSD-16, which we assume will be the bearing seal driver 16 for 16 piece. There's the specs on everything and what they say. Storage case is included. There are your sizes. Those are the most common sizes for seals and bearings and races. Lifetime guarantee. Here's the case on it. It's a pretty decent case. We're on the back side now. This is item number 58262. Comes with an extra long driver handle with striker cap and a pneumatic air hammer attachment, which we thought was nice because sometimes these things can be a pain to get in and out. So that you can convert the storage case so it can be left open inside the toolbox, which is a good feature because a lot of times these are too thick. So this little plastic hinge here can be pulled out on both sides and this top hatch can come out. So we'll take a look. It's got a nice handle here. It's a blow molded case. Nice positive locking latches here. We'll get it open and take a look at it. Alright, inside you have all of the sizes. Now it did say that they were inscribed on the pieces, but as you can see, it's just part numbers on there, and the QCQA is not 100% there. For this type of expensive tool at $100, I would expect to see some better QA QC. So Harbor Freight, you need to do a better job on this. So we don't know if we're going to be returning these or not, just depending on how they operate. But there are your sizes in inches and millimeters from 39.8 all the way up to 81. Or no, sorry, 117.5. So it's a nice big kit. Here's the air hammer attachment. Snaps in there pretty well. Here is the handle attachment. That's in there pretty good. So at least it holds it in there well. There's a striker cap they were talking about to protect the tool. It's pretty hefty. And then you have two washers here to protect the tool. So we'll just pull one out and take a look at it. Nice machining. Tapered edge so that you can get seals in and races. And a nice flat edge there for flat seals. So we'll get a race and put it on there and see how it fits. So right here we have a standard race, and this is from a 3500 Dodge Ram. Looks like the 81 or the 80.9 fits on there, and there's a little bit of play, but it is thinner just by a hair. So you can get the race down and drive it wherever it's got to go. Just don't like there's a lot of slop in there. There should kind of be positive pressure on there. So we did end up buying the other race driver kit that they have, the Maddox one, and it has an 81 millimeter driver that fits a lot better in there. So let's check that out real quick. All right, this is the other one from the other set, and this is an 81, and you see how it fits in there much better. So between the two sets, you'll probably get a nice master kit. This thing says it's a master aluminum bearing seal and race driver kit, but some of the tolerances are off. But if you get both kits, you'll get away with it. And the other kit was about 40 bucks, so it wasn't too bad. But overall, this is a very nice set. Nice kit. This will get most of your wheel bearing races, seals, and everything installed. So Value for dollar, it's pretty good. Everything feels heavy duty. I just don't like the QC/QA there with the machine, and if you see, the stamping is slightly off. Other than that, it's pretty good. These tapers are nice. There's no burrs or really anything on there. We'll take a look at the instruction manual real quick. It's as usual, 1 page, 2 pages from Harbor Freight, and there it is. Tells you how to use whatever side you want. Operating instructions. Overall, this is a good set to have if you're going to do wheel bearings or any type of axle work. This will definitely come in handy. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.